Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make iPhone use less battery. Here are some steps to make your iPhone use less battery. First is to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Battery. Turn on Low Power Mode to reduce background activity and save power. Now, go back to Settings. Then tap Display and Brightness. Lower the brightness or turn on Auto Brightness or the True Tone. Disable Background App Refresh by going to Settings, General, Background App Refresh. Then turn it off. Turn off Location Services for non-essential apps via Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services. Close unused apps running in the background and avoid widgets or animations that aren't needed. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.